Recording the sewer line here at 2409 North 38th Street. Date is October 1st, 2020. Recording this as a final video to show the work that was done here on the property on the sewer kitchen line. Recording this from the driveway drain access out here in the front of the house where the driveway drain is. Right now the camera is all the way wrapped around the side of the house, down in the shared section of sewer with the neighbor line. So this is about where the end of the Bob Oates work is, and we're going to come back from here and we'll see the kitchen line and all the work that's been done here. So we're starting here at the shared line with the neighbor, which is original concrete. So Bob Oates did not touch any of this shared section of sewer. Come back into plastic pipe. This was actually original pipe that was not part of the Bob Oates project, but we're going to get to that part pretty quickly here. And here we go, we're now in the Bob Oates section of the repair. A little bit of water getting ran right there. But this is a section that Bob Oates repaired with new plastic, and now we're coming into the 3-inch liner that was installed. So this is a 3-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner that we installed as part of this project. And we go back into another Bob Oates repair that we had to install. And then we go back into liner again. And then back into repair again. So new pipe, PVC pipe through here. Back into ABS pipe there, and you'll come back into the Bob Oates repair again, and we'll come back into liner again here shortly. There's the liner. There's liner all down this side of the house that this driveway drain hooked up to. Come back into plastic here at the corner, and back into the old cast iron here that's running underneath the section of the driveway. And that was the end of the Bob Oates repair work up there at that plastic, and then out of the driveway drain here. So that's where we made this recording from. Shows all the new pipe work that's been done along the side of the house. That's the end of the video.